have too many clothes but not enough space for them? Don't worry, simphome.com has got you covered and will help you figure out how to expand and organize your bedroom closet more efficiently. If you want to know more, stay tuned for 12 fantastic DIY ideas that will help you get more out of your storage space. 12. How to craft a bedroom closet out of thin air. A sleek solution you could try is this hanging rack from Fifti Fifti called Spring. It features a sturdy oak rod suspended by 2 or 3 triangle brackets that are each installed on a wall with a single screw. The rods have a natural finish and rounded edges for more style points. The thick wire bracket comes in steel, copper, and white and are surprisingly sturdy. Ideally, it would look best in a recessed area, but you can place it anywhere you want. It shouldn't be lower than eye level, and I recommend that you use uniform hangers to give it an overall clean look. 11. DIY barn door with mirror. Another great idea is a DIY extension of an existing closet if you have some unused space right next to it. With some lumber, it's pretty straightforward to create the extension beside the closet. On the outside, you can finish it to match your walls. For simplicity, line the interior with neutral-colored wallpaper. Pick up a used door for as low as $15 and use a mirror to take care of any mismatch with the existing doors. Then make necessary cuts or add pieces of lumber to match the door sizes and thickness. Try the novel idea of letting the doors slide on a barn door hardware kit at the top of this new closet. I recommend that you use large iron handles to complete the look and close up any previous door handle holes. 10. Closet Storage Hack by Closet Liberty and why it is special. These storage systems from Closets by Liberty offer an ingenious and convenient way of installing a custom closet space yourself. They come in 4-foot, 6-foot, 8-foot, and 10-foot sizes. All you need to do is select the style you want and the correct size to fit your existing closet. Assembly is a simple matter of installing the frames and snapping in the components such as the drawers, shelves, and rods. Each of the compartments and pieces is fully adjustable, vertically and horizontally, allowing you to create any storage setup. 9. How to build this easy DIY closet organizer. You can also try to build the closet organizer yourself to get it close to your specifications. Take careful measurements of the interior and incorporate them into your design sketch. Next, cut all 3/4-inch plywood shelf pieces, including the long top one and the sidings. Use 1 to 1 1/4-inch finishing nails to put them together. After placing the shelves in the middle of your closet, start adding the 1 by 2-inch trimming to the front. To hang your smaller items on the left side, cut 2 1 1/4-inch wooden dowels and install them with dowel holders. On the right, put a single dowel at the top for your longer clothes. 8. Turn your spare room into your dream closet. If you have a small spare room, you might think about converting it into a walk-in closet of your dreams. The first thing on the agenda is to give the room a fresh look. Clean it out and paint it to your desired color scheme. Then add some lovely carpeting or a rug. You can get from Home Depot 4 sets of rods with brackets, 2 of which having top shelves. You can install those with top shelves at a higher level on 2 walls in the far corner. You then place the other 2 below them at mid-level. Now you've got ample storage to hang all your clothes. A large leaning mirror on another corner would complete the look. 7. Try completing these easy closet shelf ideas. A simple DIY solution is putting additional shelves on the recessed ends of a closet, especially if it only has a top shelf and a rod. Each shelf would need 3 cleats using 3/4 by 3/4-inch dowels. Cut all you need and drive them into the walls with 1 1/4-inch brads. Be sure the side pieces match the depth of the shelves and level each of them carefully. Next, cut all the shelf pieces from 3/4-inch plywood. Allow 3/4 inches at the front edge of the shelf would be flush with the door jambs when you add the trims. Cut trims from a 1 by 2-inch board to the length of the shelves. Drive brads into the shelves and cleats and attach the front trims with glue and finishing nails. Finally, fill all the nail holes with wood putty, sand, and finish. 6. Consider creating a capsule wardrobe system. One convenient way to mix and match your clothes is with a capsule wardrobe system. Clear your closet and lay your items down temporarily where you can see them. After cleaning your closet, look at your clothes and ask yourself if you'll need a separate group for your everyday professional attire and casual clothing. Are they appropriate for the season? And are there enough to justify having a capsule wardrobe or two? After you've sorted it all out, remove the rest of your items that you don't need. You can also go through this elimination process with your shoes and outerwear. 5. Get this DIY open concept closet under $400. Sometimes a room may not have the luxury of a full closet. You may have to improvise for some extra space, especially when you're running low on funds. This simple DIY concept for an open closet might fit the bill and will only set you back $400. You can buy a minimalist Nordly 4-drawer dresser from IKEA that costs around $299. The dresser will also serve as the basis for the adjustable rod's length that you hang on the wall with a pair of brackets. You then mount a pine shelf on top where you can place additional storage baskets. 4. For IKEA fanboys and girls, how to get the best out of their closet hack system. IKEA has a wide range of closets to choose from to help get your things organized. But why settle with a basic unit when you can give it a more personal touch and charm? It can be as simple as wallpaper backing, adding floating shelves to the side, or changing the door handles. You can install door frames to make your unit look like a completely different piece. You can even make it look more built-in by adding wood around it that's finished to match your walls. 3. Build a walk-in closet system simply using pipes. This elegant, industrial-looking design is from a unique concept of pipes coming off the floor and bending into the walls above. You'll need an iron flange every time a pipe touches a surface, but they can add up. Get those in bulk from a supplier to save money. For the hanging rod and bends, you need T and 90-degree elbow joints. First, clean the metal pieces. Cut the pipes and 1x16-inch boards to the required lengths. All the pipe edges have to be threaded. Then all the metal parts are sprayed with a clear protective lacquer. You then screw in the flanges on both pipe ends to create several dumbbells. From the bottom going up, assemble all the shelf components with screws. 2. How to craft a wardrobe closet from scratch. Sometimes you need additional space or your room has no closet. The only practical alternative is to build one from scratch. A simple design is having a central column with box drawers. Using one wood size for different parts will make it easier and cut cost. First, build the framework of all 3 columns. With the same wood boards, make the drawer sidings with gaps, the cleats, and shelves. Before I wrap this list up, thanks for keeping playing this video. If you like what you see, care to support this channel by pressing the subscribe button under the video. It benefits nearly half dozens of people working behind the video. And let's return to our final countdown. Lastly, number 1, Shoe Closet Solution by DIY Pullout Shelves. If you don't want several shoes lying around on your floor, an excellent solution would be pull-out shelves. This style is best for deep and narrow closets. You can have shorter levels for your shoes and taller ones for boots. The drawers are simple trays with low sidings. For best results, use pure bond plywood cut to the dimensions you need. Use spacing blocks as needed to mount the rails so the drawers can go in and out of the opening freely. Final thoughts. So there you have it. I've just presented you with some ingenious but practical means to help you gain back control of your closet space. You don't have to follow any to the letter, but you can use them for ideas on possible workarounds on your storage issues. You can even combine a few of them and add your inputs to get the best results. As always, I invite you to check out simphome.com to get more details on these terrific DIY projects. That's it for now. Before this video ends, feel free to use a comment area to express your thoughts or reactions. Like or share it with anyone close to you in social media if you think the video deserves more attention. I hope you enjoy your stay, and until we meet again later sometime in the future, have a good day and stay safe.